Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. We're at the back of the Hooked on Pickin store, and there's all these hidden gems. Yes, costumes. I know it's not Halloween, but there's a lot of costumes like this that can just be play clothes and stuff. They're really, really cool. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so we're just going to go right down the rack and show you each and every item. We're going to definitely start with the top and see what kind of treasures we have in here. Look at some of these. These are cool. So I'm going to do my best to try to put as many of these online as possible. This is a dragon. Who wants to be a dragon? Look at that.
That is pretty cool.
How cool is that? Let me see. Can I hang them here? Maybe not.
Oh, that's a good idea there.
All right. Then we have...
It's an ice cream cone. You're an ice cream cone.
I must wear this.
Of course you must.
I must do it.
Guess you're a slushy. Ice cream cone or slushy? What does the tag say?
It says snow cone.
That's perfect.
So it's a slushy in an ice cream
If
cone.
you were selling a snow cone, I would make my kid walk around in a snow cone outfit.
Absolutely.
That would be awesome.
All right, then we have another dragon at a different size.
That snow cone could fit just about any size.
Another dragon. What is this?
Bear.
Bird.
Lion? I don't know. It's got a tail.
It says lion.
It's a lion.
See the picture?
The picture here, yeah. Well, they were $25. They were trying to sell it for $20.
Yeah. We're definitely going to go less than that for sure.
Probably go less than 20, you think?
Yeah, I think so.
I have to scan it and see.
Here is just a little like butterfly costume.
It's a butterfly.
This is a really pretty butterfly. Look at that.
Look. Do you remember the kids at church that would just wear costumes?
Yes, to church. We
They're
had
just
Spider-Man came to church for a couple years.
I know.
Yeah.
Spider-Man.
All right. That was the church secretary's son.
Yep. He was Batman and Spider-Man,
Iron
and
Man,
Superman.
Captain America. Here's a shark.
Kid was just having a good time in life. That's cool.
Yeah.
It's a shark.
It's a shark. I'm just going to kind of move these over. I'll show them and then move them. What is that?
Whoa. Just a black cape?
You're a wizard, Harry.
Yeah, it looks like a magician's thing, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a big magician's cape.
What does it say? Does the tag have anything for it? Ooh. It's just a velvet cape.
Velvet cape.
$1,000 velvet cape.
$1,000 velvet cape. Cape.
Worn by some famous person.
This one is a unicorn.
Yes. Yes, it is.
With wings?
It's
wings.
It's a Pegasus unicorn.
It's a Pegasus unicorn.
A flying unicorn.
There's another one. So we're in the 18 to 24 month kind of range. Here's a dragon.
18 and 24 months?
Yeah.
Those are big costumes for that, I thought.
Well, they're made to go like over.
Over clothes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, 6 to 12 months. Unicorn.
A little unicorn.
This one is 3T, 4T.
It's Paw Patrol. It's the Marshal.
Paw Patrol, yeah.
Look at that. The badge lights up. Look at that.
Comes with a backpack and everything. You have another shark.
Very important to have sharks in your
18
life.
to 24 months. Here's this one is another lion.
Lion.
Oh my goodness, this thing is so soft. I
Is
wish
it?
you could feel it. It's super soft. 18 to 24 months. This one is 2T, 3T. Ooh, what is this?
That looks cool. Is that Brave or Elsa or Anna or something?
I don't think it's Elsa or Anna. I don't know what... And I don't know what size it is because someone tore the...
Oh, no.
But it looks brand new. But a good princess dress nonetheless. What is this one? This is a Frozen one.
That would be a cool little costume or just play clothes for a kid.
3T, 4T.
It's got a cape or something to it?
It's got the
Blue, yeah.
the blue wispies. Oh, and it's even got like cold shoulder sleeves.
Boom.
All right, then we have Cinderella. Here's another Frozen one.
Boy, I remember when that movie was big.
Cape.
The capes look like adult size, though. I think it's
Yeah.
mixed sizes,
I
Heather.
think it's mixed sizes. All right, this
What is this?
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, maybe?
Really? No. Zombie?
Zombie, maybe. Maybe Frankenstein?
I don't know. No tag?
No tag. So we'll see.
Hmm.
We're going to put some of these on the fire sale, and then some are going to go online. So you'll check our clothing section. That's where I'll put them all. I'll put maybe...
Clothing and kids, maybe?
Kids' toys. This is Tangled Rapunzel. This one is simply Rainbow Unicorn.
Rainbow Unicorn.
Because it comes with a headband that comes with...
Well, you know, costume night for Awanas. This would be... Kids would love this
this
stuff.
one does say Frozen, too. So this
It is Frozen?
costume
Okay.
is Anna.
That's good. It's good to know.
Okay, then we have the Descendants.
I don't know Descendants. What is Descendants?
Descendants are all the fairy tale characters. It was a series that I think was on Disney or something.
Is it the Descendants of the fairy tale characters?
Yeah, so they have kind of sort of the same... like, you have, like, Maleficent's daughter, and I think our kids watched
Who's that
it for
one?
a little while. This is... I don't know who this is. Maul?
Maul?
I don't know who... That might be Maleficent's daughter.
Could be.
I don't know. I don't watch the show, so I'm not knowledgeable. Let me know who it is. Okay, this is from Trolls.
Trolls World Tour.
Yep.
Okay. There it is.
So the Mohawk Troll.
I don't think we watched the Trolls either.
Not that one.
Toy Story. Little Bo Peep.
Little Bo Peep. We have another Cinderella dress. What? That is
Spooky
terrifying.
one.
Spooky
Some
one.
kind of school. What is he called?
Light Up Reaper.
Oh, he's the Reaper. Okay.
Hold on.
Oh, he does light up. Look at that. That's fascinating.
It comes with a creepy
I didn't even know
skull.
the
Oh,
Reaper was
skull
supposed to light up.
lights up, too.
Oh, the skull lights up? Well,
That's terrifying.
nothing
Although
like...
your kid would not get run over by a car because they would be wearing lights.
Wear it to church. See what happens.
That's a pretty witch's costume.
Is that what it's supposed to be?
Yeah.
Our colors are orange and black at school. I bet you that would work for like Spirit Day.
It would. Oh, this one's cool.
It's an astronaut. It's even got the cool NASA patch. Well, Space Explorer, but that sure looks like a NASA patch.
It does. Oh, what's this green thing? This says Toddler Monster.
It looks like Monsters, Inc. almost. Doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Or you can just dress your toddler as a monster, since you call them a monster anyway.
It's true.
If they're terrible threes.
4
terrible twos, terrible
or
threes.
5T.
This one is, 4 or 5T. This one is the same thing, 4 or 5T. This one is 4 or 5T, same thing. Here's some more Reapers. Another Anna. Frozen. Ooh, this one's cool.
Looks like a ninja or something.
Mortal Kombat.
It sure looks like Mortal Kombat.
I don't know that it is. Light Up Iron Skull.
Oh,
Ninja.
come on now. That's Mortal Kombat right there, right?
It sure looks like it.
Heather is a big Mortal Kombat fan.
Back in the day.
Our whole bedroom is decorated in Mortal
It
Kombat.
is not. We
She's a
literally
big
have
Mortal
no
Kombat
decor
fan.
in our bedroom. Like, there's no rhyme or reason. Oh,
That's
for
true.
Christmas, we're going to buy ourselves a bedroom set.
Yeah, it never happened, did
Yeah,
it?
we bought a store instead.
Yeah, that's
All
true.
right. This one's the Descendants costume again.
Okay.
Ooh, this looks like an army guy.
Army man.
Comes with a helmet and everything.
That's cool.
Oh, and it comes with cool accessories. Look. We've
What's it
got the walkie-talkie, the binoculars, the canteen, the dog tags, and, of course, you need a
A
grenade.
random grenade. No gun, but a grenade.
But a grenade.
I don't know what that says.
All right, then we have, what is this? This is the Descendants as well.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, but I don't know
Whoever the
which
pink one is.
character. Whoever the pink one is. Who's the character in the Descendants that wears the pink? Let us know. All right. Oh, here's our traditional. Here's Spider-Man.
Boom. Spider-Man.
Comes even with the mask.
He's an Iron Spider.
This is a big costume. What size is this? Large, 8 to 10-year-olds.
Yeah, that is a large costume.
It's a size 12, 14. If that's
I bet you could fit in that grade, Heather.
No. Nobody needs to see that. All
I
right.
need to see it.
All right.
Oh, that is cool.
Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman 84. This has never even been out of its package, Heather.
You could totally wear this for 4th of July.
Yeah, you could. Memorial Day.
Size 10
Full
to
day.
12.
To the next Marvel movie.
Yep.
The last Marvel movie we went to, there were people in costumes.
Yep.
Dressed up.
Here's another one.
That's awesome.
Ooh, It's a Medusa head.
Oh, look how creepy that is.
But
That is really clever, though. You have to admit.
It's fanciful because it's got that iridescent.
Yep.
It's just a fun play dress. Look at that.
Yeah, it is. That is really cool looking.
Very emerald green.
Looks like a theater
like
dress.
If you took the headdress off, it just kind of looks Egyptian almost.
A little bit. A little bit it does. You're right.
Oh, here's another one of those really cute orange
cool.
dresses. Oh, here's Belle.
That looks
Beauty
good.
and the Beast.
Was that what Lexi was when we went to Disney World?
Snow White.
Snow White. Okay. It was cool. In the parade, the Disney character actually waved at her.
Oh, is this like Dracula?
It could be vampire. Who knows? Yeah,
Look.
with the pop collar like that.
That's
Very
what it
good.
says. You have to say it like
That was excellent, Heather.
Thank you.
You want to do the bottom rack, then we can get clothes on this?
Sure. All right, so we've got Tinkerbell.
That's a cute little dress for Tinkerbell. Now it's on the floor. Partly somewhat used now.
Stop. All right, then we have, oh my word.
Oh.
It's a little unicorn.
It's a baby.
I think someone's in the store.
Oh, there's somebody in the store.
Yeah. And then we have Star Wars.
Nice. Do you need to go check?
Yeah.
All right, we'll hang out here, everybody, while Miss Heather goes to check. I just heard a voice. I'm like, I wonder why it didn't. Our doorbell didn't ding. Or maybe we were too far back here. These are fun. They have a ton of costumes. They have this rack of costumes. Then they have this whole rack of costumes. And then they have, this is all bathing suits that we still have got to go through. And then they have all of this side is all costumes. And then they've got clothing. We have no clue what's in all this stuff. Some people have been buying some of the bathing suits. So we thought that was kind of cool. But the costumes, I think we've sold 2 in almost a month that we've been here. So we're looking at probably trying to put some of these online, like what Heather's thinking, and I think they'll go a little bit better that way. But we will see. We will really see, guys. As you can see, we moved all the bedding up here. Tons of pillows. All of those are heated blankets and weighted blankets. And so, yeah. So we sold some shoes today. All right.
All right, let me show you the rest of them.
Okay.
All right. So I think we saw that one. This one is
Lizard?
lizard, dragon.
I think a lizard.
I think it is a lizard.
Could be baby dragon.
Here's the helmet.
Lizard
Dinosaur,
dragon.
maybe?
We're going to call it a lizard dragon.
Baby lizard dragon. And we have,
Wolfman?
yes, Wolfman.
Does he have his face mask or mask? Oh, that's pretty cool.
Ooh, look at the teeth on it. That's terrifying.
Coming right at you.
Coming right at you. All right, then we have Paw Patrol. Again.
Very
We
good.
got a couple of those.
Be nice to have different sizes.
Yep.
There's that butterfly again.
Unicorn. And then, yeah, butterfly, not unicorn.
Mm-hmm.
What is this?
Looks like Paw Patrol.
Okay.
Just in a darker one.
Then we have,
Another little baby.
oh, that's a cute little dress. Look at that.
That is.
This is Ariel.
Our oldest daughter loved Ariel.
She did. Jasmine?
Jasmine?
Yeah.
Some kind of shine. I think it's Shimmer and
Oh,
Shine.
Shimmer and Shine. It looks like
Oh,
Jasmine.
is that show still on? I don't even know.
I don't know.
Somebody else just came in.
Okay. Here's a crab
Crab.
for crabby.
Feeling really crabby.
Yep. Feeling a little crabby. Dress your kid as a crab. We've got a mermaid unicorn. Narwhal.
Nice.
It's a narwhal.
Narwhal. Even more important to have.
All right. Then we have, what is that? Triceratops.
That is cool.
That's
It's a dinosaur.
It is a really cute dinosaur too. It's got a cute little head on it. Okay, what's this one? Unicorn horn. That probably goes to a costume.
Probably.
We'll see if we can match it up. What's this one?
Ugly Doll. Moxie from Ugly Dolls.
Oh, okay.
Didn't know it was a thing, but now we have it.
Now we have it. And we have the Flash.
Heather just flashed you. She did.
I did.
It's not inappropriate to say.
Pumpkins.
Pumpkin.
We have a bunch of pumpkins. There's 1, 2, 3 pumpkins.
Another crab.
Another crab for your crabby baby.
That could fit year round.
Yes. Just put them in the crab costume.
Little dinosaur.
This was the.
That was it. It's the dinosaur. Is that a Frankenstein head?
Where?
Right down there on the green. Right there.
Oh. Yeah. Is it hanging down? It is a Frankenstein head in costume.
That's cool.
Then we have another dinosaur.
I think the rest, have we already seen some of those already in there?
Let me just look for a new one. Ooh, what's this one?
Spider.
It's a spider.
Of course.
I have a friend named Tanya. She would be terrified even of the costume.
That'd be amazing.
Yep. All right. So I think that's it. I think it's reduplicates of everything else.
Okay.
Oh, wait, there's a hedgehog, I think.
Is it a baby hedgehog?
It's a baby hedgehog.
The baby. I want to see the picture. Look at that baby.
So happy.
How did the photographer get that picture? That's
all right,
good.
so we're going to make a lot of these available on the fire sale, and so we'll give you the sizes and all that, and then we'll put some online. And so thanks so much for watching this, and remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.